For the next 10 minutes, this is your time to let go and find balance. Take a deep breath, settle into a comfortable position, and allow your body to fully relax. Close your eyes gently and start to release any tension in your shoulders, neck, and face. Breathe deeply and feel the weight of your body grounding you. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in fresh, calming energy. Feel this energy flow through your lungs and down into your belly, grounding you deeper into peace. Now, as you exhale, let go of any stress or overstimulation. Picture it leaving your body with each exhale, creating space for calm. Let's do this together. Inhale deeply, filling your belly. Hold for a moment, and slowly exhale. With each exhale, imagine your mind becoming clearer, resetting to a state of calm and balance. Imagine your mind as a room. See the scattered thoughts, anxieties, and overstimulating ideas resting on the floor like pieces of paper. Now, imagine a gentle breeze sweeping through, neatly collecting these pieces and setting them aside. Each thought is placed in order, available only when you need it, freeing up space for peace and focus. With each breath, feel this clarity grow stronger as your mind becomes light, spacious, and organized. Now, let's anchor ourselves with a few affirmations. Repeat them silently in your mind or out loud, feeling the words resonate within you. I am in control of my calm. I am here, present, and grounded. I can release what no longer serves me. Feel each affirmation settle into your being, reinforcing your inner peace and strength. Now slowly bring your focus back to your breath. Feel each inhale and each exhale, grounding you in the present. Notice the calm within, the sense of renewal and balance. Take a few deep breaths, savouring this moment of peace you've created for yourself. Thank you for allowing yourself this time of peace and clarity. Remember, you can return to this space anytime you need to reset and reconnect. Take this calm with you into the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this reset, please subscribe for more guided meditations to balance your mind and mood.